Bulabinaka, and a very good morning to you all. At the outset, I would like to welcome the Honorable Minister to Suva. Can we all put our hands together and welcome the Honorable Minister to Foreign Affairs. Honorable Minister, being elected and appointed as the Minister, and within a week to come to Fiji is a great moment for us Fijians here. I know you have a very short stay, but at the same time I know it will be a very useful visit. Honorable Minister, as of now we have around close to 3,000 plus Fijians working in Australia. And that is for both programs, that is PLS and seasonal work program. The only request is that since we have signed the Vuvale partnership, there has been a lot of applications lodged to go to Australia to work. And this morning, on behalf of all those Fijians, it is my humble request if we can increase the numbers of our Fijians so that they can go and work in Australia. That is my humble request to you. The other thing I have noticed, you have made a statement that you would like to strengthen the Vuvale partnership. We welcome that. We welcome the statement made by your good self in regards to the strengthening of Vuvale partnership. There are a few issues in terms of labor mobility, but maybe that's for another day. But for now, thank you so much for visiting us. Thank you so much for visiting our workers. Can we put our hands together once again and welcome our honorable